What's up everyone? Welcome back to Fast Fridays. Today I have a little bit more of a specialized request from one of the viewers that had a question on the Canon SL2. So I'm going to tackle that question today in this video. Stay tuned. What's going on everybody? Welcome back to Fast Fridays. I'm your host, Original Dobo. And if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button. I do a new video every Friday that is incredibly fast. Today's video is on the Canon SL2 and it's really more or less about the input jack for the microphone. The viewer had a question on whether or not this affects the touchscreen. And you can see here, I can't tilt my touchscreen forward or backwards because of this headphone jack here, and it's sort of a bummer. I can flip it like this and then set it so I can view. I have a little bit of a varying degree of viewing. You can see I can set it like this so I can film straight down, but I have to turn the headphone jack just a little bit to make this work. I mean, it doesn't affect it so bad. Again, the Canon 80D doesn't really have this issue because of the way the headphone jack is placed. I think this is just really poor placement for the headphone jack, but does it affect the overall usage of the flip screen? Absolutely not. You just got to use a little more care, and different microphones will really affect whether or not this is going to be a problem. This is the Takstar mic, not a big deal here. Let's go ahead and throw on the Rode Video Mic Row, which is a really popular mic for many vloggers. You can see the end of this is a little bit more pronounced. So let's go ahead and pop this one on here. Same thing, no big deal. So this one's not a problem as well. So again, you can totally film, doesn't affect anything. Again, I just can't like take this and then flip it right here. I have to flip it here if I wanted to view myself vlogging. And then if I'm gonna flip it back, turn it to the side, then flip it and close it. But it's really not a big deal. So I hope that helps in your decision whether or not you're going to purchase a Canon SL2. It's just, again, I wish the mic jack was on this side, not on the same side that the flip screen turns out to. Not really sure why they did that, but it doesn't affect the overall usage. You just have to change how you toggle the switch, or I should say, you just have to change how you flip the screen forwards and backwards. Not a big deal, not a deal breaker. Anyways, this is Fast Friday. Hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you all on the next video.